morning, dear kids. Children, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in GK. But before that, let's enjoy a nice song performed by your lovely ma'ams.
In a community, we stay together, help each other. In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a teacher to teach all lessons, and a doctor to give us medicines. There's a tailor for our clothes to wear, and policeman to keep a check throughout. In a community, we stay together, help each other. Let's take a walk through, look around and say, who are these people who help us every day? In a community, we stay together, help each other.
Kids, have you enjoyed the song? Very good. Now tell me which topic we are going to learn today? Right. We are going to learn about community helpers. Kids, community helpers means people who helped in our daily life. It's called community helpers. Children, આપણે બધા કામ જાતે નહીં કરી શકીએ, રાઈટ? એટલે આપણે કોઈની હેલ્પ લેવી પડે. જેવી રીતે આપણે જ્યારે બીમાર પડીએ ત્યારે આપણે જાતે મેડિસિન લઈએ નહીં ને. વી હેવ ટુ ગો ટુ અ ડૉક્ટર, રાઈટ? અને ડૉક્ટર અંકલ આપણને મેડિસિન આપે, હા ને? એવી જ રીતે જ્યારે આપણે પાર્ટીમાં જવાના હોય, કોઈના મેરેજમાં જવાના હોય, ત્યારે આપણે જે ન્યૂ ક્લોથ્સ પહેરીએ એ જાતે સ્ટીચ કરીએ નહીં. આપણે કોની પાસે સ્ટીચ કરાવીએ? ટેલર પાસે. સો કિડ્સ, આ બધા કામ આપણે જાતે નહીં કરી શકીએ. એટલે આપણને જે પીપલ હેલ્પ કરે એને આપણે કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પર્સ કહેવાય, રાઈટ? સો ટુડે વી આર ગોઈંગ ટુ લર્ન more about this topic.
Let's learn more about community helpers. Doctor. Kids, when we are not well, we go to a doctor and he gives us medicines, right? Doctor uses stethoscope, injection, medicines, etc. And hospital ma apnu dhyan kon rakhe? The person who takes care of patients is called nurse. Teacher must be your favorite person, right? Teacher teaches us how to read and write and many more things. Teacher uses blackboard, chalk, duster, books, etc. When we want to send letters or greeting card, then we post it in the post box and postman delivers it to our relatives. Policeman protects us and he catches thieves also. He uses gun, stick, handcuffs, whistle, etc. Soldier guards our country. Pilot is a man who flies the aeroplane. So when we go out by air, which person flies the aeroplane? Yes, pilot. Farmer grows food, grains, vegetable, fruits for us. Farmer uses sickle, tractor, etc. Fireman. What he does? Children, koi jagyaye aag lagi jaye, so they help us to put off the fire and save the injured people. And kids, tell me, apne haircut karawa kya jaiye? Yes, barber shop. Barber cuts our hair and he uses scissor, comb, etc. Mason constructs the building. Tailor stitches our clothes. He uses sewing machine, measure tape, needle and thread. Bus driver. He drives the bus and bus conductor collects the tickets. અને આપણા ઘરમાં જે ફર્નિચર બનાવે ને તેને કાર્પેન્ટર કહેવાય. હી યુઝીસ સો, હેમર એટસેટ્રા. એન્ડ કિડ્સ, મોર્નિંગમાં દૂધ લઈને કોણ આવે? યસ, મિલ્કમેન. અને તમારી ફેવરેટ કેક, પેસ્ટ્રીઝ, મફિન્સ બનાવે ને એને બેકર કહેવાય. Kids, when we go out of town and we are having too much luggage, તો સ્ટેશન પર લગેજ ઉચકવામાં આપણી હેલ્પ કરે ને એને પોર્ટર કહેવાય. And the person who washes the clothes is called washerman. And the person who makes jewelry from gold is called goldsmith. And the person who makes things out of iron is called blacksmith. Kids, આપણા ઘરમાં જે પાણીનું પોટ હોય ને એ કોણ બનાવે ખબર છે તમને? The person who makes clay utensils is called potter.
Children, in your Me and My Surroundings book, open page number 5454. People who help us. Children, let's read out the names of the people who help us. Okay? Potter, porter, postman, baker, mason, milkman, blacksmith, goldsmith, washerman, cobbler, carpenter, barber. Then on next page, teacher, policeman, doctor, nurse, bus driver, bus conductor, farmer, fireman, pilot, soldier, tailor. Barber cuts our hair. Tailor stitches our clothes. Policeman catches thieves. Carpenter makes furniture. Farmers grow food grains, vegetables and fruits for us. Now, kids, turn your page and on page 5656, look at the picture on the left and circle the things that are related to them. On the left side, here there are some people who help us and here there are some things and you have to circle those things which are related to this person. Okay? So, let's see the first picture. Who is he? Postman. And which are the things that are related to a postman? Let's find out. Envelope? Yes. So we will circle it. Next is injection. Is it related to a postman? No. So we will not circle. Now this is postman. Yes, it is related to a postman. So again we will encircle it. Okay. Now next picture. Who is he? A tailor. And which thing is this? A hammer. Is it related to a tailor? No. Sewing machine? Yes. So you have to circle it. Thread? Yes. So you will encircle the thread. Now next picture. Policeman. And what are the things? Whistle. Is it related to a policeman? Yes. So you have to encircle it. Cap? Yes. So again you will encircle it. Nail? No. So you will not circle. Now next picture is a teacher. And what are the things? Books. Yes, it's related to a teacher. You have to encircle it. Medicines? No. Blackboard? Yes. So encircle the blackboard. Now on page number 5757. He is a fireman. And let's see the things related to a fireman. Ladder? Yes. So encircle it. Paintbrush? No. Fire engine? Yes. So again you will encircle it. Then next is a sweeper. And what does a sweeper use? A broom? Yes. So encircle it. Thread? No. Dustbin? Yes. So encircle the dustbin. Now next is barber. And what are the things related to a barber? Envelope? No. Pair of scissors? Yes. So encircle it. A comb? Yes. So encircle the comb as well. And which is the last picture? It's a doctor. He's a doctor. And let's see the things related to a doctor. Medicines? Yes. So encircle the medicines. Stethoscope? Yes. So you have to encircle the stethoscope as well. Post box? No. So you will not encircle it. Kids, you all have to do this exercise on your own. Okay kids? Bye-bye.